Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and safe at your homes. Today we are going to do our second unit poem, that is Robin. The poet of the poem is anonymous. Poet means the person who writes poems. First of all, we are going to do words to know. Here are some words with the meanings. First word is autumn. Autumn means the season before winter when leaves fall from trees. इसको उर्दू में हम मौसम ख़ज़ा कहते हैं. Might means strength, ताकत. Praise, appreciate, offer thanks through worship. Praise का मतलब है किसी की तारीफ करना. Wintry means cold like the winter season. मौसम सरमा मतलब सर्दी का मौसम जो हो उसको बोलते हैं विंट्री, या सर्दी जब हो उसको भी बोलते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट द पोएम. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. As you can see in the picture, this is Robin. The bird is Robin. Thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. In the first stanza, the poet is telling us about the summer, that how the bird Robin sings in summer. के ये जो रॉबिन है, परिंदा है, ये गर्मियों में कैसे गाता है. जब हमारे पास दिन बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होते हैं तो उसमें जो परिंदे होते हैं वो अपनी पूरी ताकत, अपनी पूरी जान लगा के गाते हैं. In the second stanza, the poet is telling us about the autumn season, मौसम ख़ज़ा. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. इस stanza में poet हमें कहता है कि हमें मौसम ख़ज़ा की तारीफ़ करनी चाहिए. हमें क्यों तारीफ़ करनी चाहिए? क्योंकि इसमें सब लोगों के लिए बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स फल होते हैं, इसलिए हमें इसकी तारीफ़ करनी चाहिए. एंड वी शुड कीप ऑन सिंगिंग. नाउ कमिंग टूवर्ड्स द थर्ड स्टैंजा. इन द कोल्ड एंड विंट्री वेदर. विंट्री मतलब सर्द, वेदर मौसम. सर्द मौसम में स्टिल हेयर हिज सॉन्ग. हमें सर्द मौसम में, जैसे कि गर्मी में ख़ज़ा में, इसी तरह सर्दी में भी हमें रॉबिन की सिंगिंग की आवाज़ सुनाई देगी. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. अब यहाँ पर पोइट कहता है कि सर्दी के मौसम में भी किसी न किसी को ज़रूर गाना चाहिए ताकि जो सर्दी है वो हमें ज़्यादा लंबी ना लगे. सीम्स लॉन्ग, सीम का मतलब है लगना, किसी चीज़ का लगना. सीम लॉन्ग, लंबी लगना. इन द लास्ट स्टैंजा द पोएट इज़ टेलिंग अस अबाउट द स्प्रिंग सीजन. मौसम बहार के बारे में हमें बताता है. व्हेन द स्प्रिंग केम बैक अगेन. जब स्प्रिंग का मौसम दोबारा से आता है सर्दी के बाद, ही सेंग आई टोल्ड यू सो. वो गाता है. सेंग मतलब गाना. I told you so, मैंने आपको बताया था. Keep on singing through winter, it will always go. Okay, so in the spring season he is telling us that I told you in the winter season that you must sing, so the winter will always go. कि हमें जो है गाना चाहिए, हर सीज़न में गाना चाहिए, तो वो सीज़न जो है वो जल्दी से गुजर जाएगा. Now the moral of the poem is, इस poem से हमें क्या सबक मिलता है? The moral of the poem is that hard time will always go and there will be happiness and peace, so we must be patient during the hard time and must believe in ourselves. So this is all about the poem. Do reading at your homes and learn the difficult words and their meanings. Okay, now take out page number 11 for the book exercise. In the first question, answer the following question. You are going to do these question answers in your notebooks. Now coming towards question number 2, you are going to do this question in your book. Say which of the following is true or false about the poem. So here are some statements about the poem. You are going to tell us that which one is true and which one is false. Number first, Robin sang sweetly throughout the year. कि रॉबिन जो है पूरा साल चारों सीजन्स में गाता रहता है, so it is true. Number B, Robin sang with all his might in winter. No, Robin sang with all his might in summer. So this one is false कि वो अपनी पूरी ताकत से विंटर में गाता है, नहीं, वो समर में गाता है. Number C, Robin says we should all give praise in the spring. कि हमें जो है स्प्रिंग सीजन की तारीफ करनी चाहिए. So in the poem, the poet says that we should all give praise to in the autumn season. So this one is also false. Number D, Robin stopped singing in the cold winter. कि उसने सर्दी के मौसम में गाना गाना बंद कर दिया. This is false because he sings throughout the year. Number E, summer comes immediately after autumn. This is also false. You're going to do this in your book. Now take out page number 12. Now we are going to do exercise B2. Match the following and use them in sentences of your own. Example, as dry as bone. Here are some similes and we are going to match it. Number first is as dark as night, कि रात की तरह काली है. As good as gold. As sweet as honey, के शहद की तरह मीठा. As hardworking as a donkey. Okay, now coming towards exercise D1. D1, find rhyming words in the poem for the following. Here are some words. You are going to find rhyming words of these words in the poem. आपने पोइम्स में इसके लिए राइमिंग वर्ड्स ढूंढ के इसके ऊपर इस तरह लिखना है जैसे मैंने लिखा है. नीटली, स्वीटली. राइमिंग वर्ड्स का मतलब है जो हमें हम आवाज़ अल्फाज हो, दे गिव अस सेम साउंड्स. नीटली, स्वीटली. बैंक्स, थैंक्स. लाइट, माइट. हैज़, डेज. रूट्स, बूट्स. रोल्ड, told. Dream, seem. Few, due. Leather, weather. Bore, more. Leap, deep. Fair, hair. So this was your book work. You are going to do these 3 exercises in your books. Now coming towards the copy work. Notebook. So first of all, draw margin line in your notebook, write the proper date, then write your unit 2 Robin poem topic 1 dictation words. Number first word is sweetly, summer, praise, autumn, wintry, weather, always, spring, here, fruits. जिस तरह मैंने लिख के दिया है आप सबने अपने नोट्स बुक में इसी तरह लिखना है. Okay, now coming towards topic 2, that is words meaning. Words meaning. First word is might, strength, ताकत. Praise, appreciate, तारीफ करना. Wintry, cold, सर्द. Now topic number 3, answer the following questions. Here are some questions you are going to do this in your notebook. First question is what are the 4 seasons? कि हमारे पास 4 सीजन कौन से हैं? As we have read in the poem, there are 4 seasons and they are spring, summer, autumn, winter. The second question is when does Robin sing with all his might? कि रॉबिन जो है अपनी पूरी ताकत से कौन से सीजन में गाता है? As we have read in the poem, the Robin sings with all his might in summer. तो वो गर्मी में अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ गाता है. Now coming towards question number 3. What does Robin say about autumn? कि autumn के बारे में Robin क्या कहता है? Answer: Robin says that in autumn there are fruits for everyone. We should give praise at this time. कि सब के लिए फल होते हैं तो हमें autumn की तारीफ करनी चाहिए. Question number 4. When can we still hear Robin's song? Answer: we can still hear Robin's song in the cold and wintry weather. Question number 5. What does Robin say in the spring? Answer: in the spring Robin says that he told us that winter would go away. कि उसने हमें बताया था स्प्रिंग में हमें बताता है कि मैंने आपको विंटर में कहा था कि विंटर जो है अगर आप गाओगे तो जल्दी से गुजर जाएगा. Now coming towards the last topic, that is word sentences. Here are some words you are going to make sentences. Word sentences: sweetly, Ali sings sweetly. Praise: we should praise good deeds. Spring: I like spring season. Cold: the weather is cold today. Fruits: mango is the king of fruits. You can also make sentences by your own. You are going to do this work in your notebooks very neatly. Thank you.